MINCHAN Kim is one of the fastest drone racers in the world. If you have not seen him fly before, you are in for a treat. Because when he posts footage from his home track in Korea, it is just inhumanly fast. And if you are in FPV for long enough, you will eventually see somebody come along and say, that footage must be sped up. Nobody could be that fast. And the normal response is, you must be new here. That's just how fast drones are. Yeah, unbelievable. But MINCHAN is so fast that even people who ought to know better still look at his footage and go, is he speeding that footage up? What do you think?
This place is such an awesome place to fly. So much fun.
This is finally going to be the proof that we need that MINCHAN Kim speeds up his DVR. Because I'm here and he's here and I got my goggles on and we can record it in real time, and you know he's going to be a lot slower than when he posts on his YouTube channel. It's a fact.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording.
Is it like ASMR work? Hey guys, I'm MCKFPV and you're gonna learn something today. Yeah!
How much do you speed it up? Like 25%? 30%?
No, I don't speed up.
You don't speed. He's sticking by his story, folks.
What? Here?
Shoot the gun!
Up through here, yeah. Just
Climbing
up over the barn.
up over the barn.
It's easy.
Tennessee track. Crazy. Okay.
You go to the right of the barn.
If you knock this tree off my barn, I'll give you $50. Hey MINCHAN, you flown this in liftoff?
Oh, yeah. It was like, oh, it's kind of weird to see in real life that I flew in to see him.
Right hand turn through the gate, up over the house.
Whoa.
Yeah, over the house.
Up over the house and immediately down.
I don't think you know what you're getting yourself into, bro.
You'll be all right. You ain't gonna crash into my house, right?
Oh, I'm not.
Who's gonna crash into you? Nobody. These guys are pros. They ain't gonna crash into my house, right?
Yeah, they're not.
How long before one of them crashes into my house?
I don't know. I would say nobody's gonna hit
This
it.
is easy. No.
It's hard.
I told Ian, you make the track as hard as you want. These guys fly these tight, tiny tracks. This ain't gonna be nothing to you.
You guys are professionals, right?
You guys are pros. This ain't gonna be nothing to you. Do it again. Do it again. Ah, yeah, okay. So you can only do it 2 times in a row clean. Shit. I think he's pretty good.
Roll over the house and then also a pitch down. I think the roll can be faster, but it's just scarier.
7 days since she left, I'm still amazed. The way she dressed, I mean, woof. The way she smelled, made my every cell scream rum bum bum bum. Huh. Who knew a Tinder date could make me feel this way? Now I'm in love and I'm ready to play. Wrote her a text like, hey baby, do you wanna hang out? But then she goes, she run around, run around, run around, run around, run around in my head. I can't let go. No, 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 no. It's all I think about, think about, think about, think about, think about, think about her. What did I do wrong? What did I do?
Like when you flip over the house, all you see is us standing here, and you're giving throttle. You're actively at full throttle.
You know, you want to get closer and closer, but you're also at Bardwell's house. It's like there's experience. I don't really want to be known as the guy that put a quad into an attic, so.
This is a bad place to stand.
Remember stepping to the club, right? Did you ain't turn it up, right? She was rocking to the song, you were lurking all along, even touched your ding dong, right? So tell me what's in your face plans when you put your hands in her pants, or maybe when you hit the guard and beat in that car, kept acting like a rock star.
You've been flying 3S. Why are you flying 3S?
It's for Costa Rica spec race, freedom spec. This is fine. Like second pack, 6.
It's second pack. Yeah, no, you're just gonna take it easy. Not gonna sin, not full sin. Listen.
If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose.
damage to the track from our epic dive over the house. Move here.
The zip ties that were holding the gate together are gone.
Completely gone.
The gate's held up pretty well. This fabric is holding up real well.
That's true. No holes.
No
That's
holes.
Nice. So just some zip ties. And then let's see. Let's look here. Yep. There we go. There we go. There we go. Lots of wham.
Like, well, when I practice, like usually when I don't have a school, I'm going to feel practicing like 150 packs every day. And when I practice, I just push 100% limits as hard as I can, and then I'm trying to get fastest DVR as I can, and then I'm just flying till I get fastest DVR. And then, but everyone asking me, do you really crush a lot? And then, how do you so consistent? But I'm actually not, because I'm crushing almost every packs. I'm just getting a little bit slowed down when I'm doing the real race and just trying to be consistent. But I think I'm really crushing a lot all the time. So almost.
Yeah. Today we learned that Mookie is a psychopath. What are you doing, Mookie?
I ate the booty. First, baby.
We have guests. They're not from our culture. You're setting a bad example.
They'll be fine.
Minchan, this is not how we eat pizza in America. This is wrong. What?
In Korea too. You don't learn anything like that.
It's time to play. Does Minchan know this song? Hey Minchan, do you know this song?
No, I have no idea about this song.
I listen to some K-pop. It's only fair if Minchan listens to rock and roll.
Yeah.
That seems fair. If Minchan doesn't start picking up some rock and roll, I'm gonna stop listening to K-pop in retaliation.
Okay.
I'm not standing BTS anymore. Zach, I think I hear a dying rhinoceros.
Man, you have to start the band. We're looking for a singer, man. You down? Tommy, count us out.
Hey Minchan, thanks for coming out.
Oh, thank you for letting me fly in here.
Yeah.
It was such a
Absolutely. Good to meet you. Real honor to have you fly at my house, to be honest with you. I'm secretly rooting for you in Costa Rica. I hope you win. All those other guys, you're the one I really want to win.
thank you.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. All right. See you guys later. Happy flying, everybody.